In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off pop-up and sound notifications in Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to reduce distractions or make sure you never miss an important update, adjusting your notification settings is a key part of managing your workflow in Teams. To begin, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already signed in, open the Teams app or go to the web page and enter your login credentials. Once signed in, you'll see the Teams interface, which is centered around your dashboard and recent activity. Look towards the top right of the screen and locate the three dots, often called the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Click on these dots to open a drop-down list with several options. From this list, select Settings to proceed. Once the Settings window is open, you'll see a list of customizable sections on the left-hand side. These sections allow you to adjust various aspects of Teams to suit your workflow. Look for the Notifications and Activity option and click on it. This section gives you control over all the alerts you receive within Teams. In the Notifications section, you'll see different types of alerts, including chat notifications, team mentions, and banner alerts, among others. Microsoft Teams allows you to personalize these settings extensively. You can choose to be notified with a pop-up, a sound, or both. If you're aiming to focus without interruptions, you might want to reduce the number of notifications or turn off audible alerts. On the other hand, if staying informed in real time is crucial, make sure your notifications include both visual and sound cues. Consider your daily workflow when adjusting these settings. For example, if you spend most of your time in meetings, minimizing pop-up interruptions can help you concentrate. If you're waiting on an urgent document or important message, keeping sound notifications on ensures you never miss it. Once you've configured your notifications to your preference, simply close the settings menu. All changes are saved automatically, so there's no additional step required. Your Teams environment will now reflect the new notification preferences you've set, and there you have it. You've successfully customized your Microsoft Teams notifications to match your work habits and preferences. This simple adjustment can make your workflow more streamlined and efficient. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of Microsoft Teams. Happy teaming!